Hello, my name is Cameron Ferris, and between the ages of 13 through 17, I have known 4 people that have died of a drug overdose, and I have attended 2 of their funerals. The war on drugs, specifically opioids, has been going on since 1971 and has increased exponentially. The CDC reports that 136 people die a day from opioid overdoses. So fundamentally, in our brain, what's going on? Well, drugs alter neural pathways. So every time someone gets high, a release of dopamine is excreted. Because it's excreted, therefore, over and over again, it creates a chemical craving, thus creating a drug addict. In order to treat an opioid user, we have to turn to 2 different medications. Number 1 is methadone, which is a lower risk pain medication, and the other is naltrexone, which essentially stops the drug effect and prevents the user from feeling a high, thus weaning them off. However, this is not a permanent solution. So what can we do? One of the 2 opioid treatments is naltrexone. Enter Adam Basaga and Christine Rode, a plastic surgeon and a psychiatrist who have created a groundbreaking implantable naltrexone that will potentially solve the opioid crisis. This implantable device has 2 great outcomes. Number 1, a longer duration of efficiency. The drug is released over 6 months. And number 2, probably the most important, is it protects against overdoses. Essentially, this implant becomes a receptor for the drug. While this implant is still new, it is in the 2nd stage of its trial. This means that drug addicts can go in and get the implant to see how it affects their body. Plastic surgeon Dr. Rode hopes that this trial will go well so that others can get support for their addiction. The great thing about this device is that it's not controversial. Who wouldn't want to help the war on drugs? Remember this, we can't stop them, so we must find a way to save them.